So welcome back. So we are finally in another section, and in this section we are actually going to be creating our assemblies for those models we created. The first one we are going to start with is the valve. So in this lecture we are just going to cover how to open a new assembly file. So when you are in your SolidWorks home screen, what you need to do is click on this new, and now we have this assembly over here, and we'll click this and click OK. And now we are in the assembly file. So the first thing is asking you to insert your part in here, and we are going to cover this in the next lecture. And let's just close out. And when you're on the, just to recap, when you're on any screen, you click on the new and assembly and click OK. And that's how you get into an assembly mode. Thank you, and I will see you in the next lecture. Bye.